Hey, welcome back again. Hope you're all in good health and you're doing great. So the beast is coming apart again. What is that? Oh, at least the paints are ready. So it's booked to go to the track in about 10 days just to test it out. And of course, Murphy's Law, I get all these issues. Running issues, and now it's sprung a coolant leak. So since I've been running it, I've noticed it's dried off a bit there, but there's been coolant spraying around the guards. So I've pulled it off to have a look, and I can see like drips of coolant, but it's obviously because the pulleys are spraying it around. So I hope it's not the water pump, even though they're not too bad to replace on these. Well, I hope it's either the water pump or the thermostat housing, because all this plastic crap that they put on these is a pain. So because when it's running, it just sprays the coolant everywhere, it's hard to see exactly where it's coming from. So I'm gonna try and just put some pressure in the system and then try and pinpoint exactly where it is. So I don't have a pressure tester for one of these beamers, so I'm just gonna try my best and see if I can funnel a bit of pressure into the bleed hose here and see if that'll give me any result. Hot tip with these, always make sure they're like got plenty of lube on them, because they'll bite in and they'll shred, and you'll either strip it or you'll strip the top and never get it out. So hey, looks like it's definitely the thermostat housing, which is good, I guess. You could even see it shooting out the side here. It's pretty much coming out of all angles. It's a bit crazy. So it's obviously dripping down on the water pump pulley while the motor's running, and then just flinging it everywhere. Now I know you can get alloy replacements for these, but I don't know if I'll find one in the time I need to get this thing going, so I might just have to settle for another plastic one in the meantime. The housing itself looks alright, but looks like it might have had a bit of coolant getting a bit reactive, eating its way past the seal there. I can't see any cracks in the housing, but that's all pretty fairly crusty looking there, so I'll clean all that off and hopefully there's no pitting. The coolant mixture could have been a bit strong. I did only have a third of like concentrate in there, but it was sitting for a long time stagnant, so that could have made it go a bit bad. So probably just do away with a good seal, but to err on the side of the caution, I doubt I can probably even get a seal anyway. You probably got to get the whole thing. I'll just price up a whole housing. Alright, pays to shop around. First quote I got from Burson's was 180 bucks. Made a few more calls and then found this one at HSY for half the price. Happy days. So I'll clean everything up now and fit it up and bleed it, and hopefully she's all hunky-dory. Top bottom hose is nice and warm, air's all bled out, fans kicking in, should be all good. No leaks, which is the main thing. I'll just recheck the level in the morning. Alright, hope this was helpful to you. Leave me a like if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll see you in the next one for whatever failures come my way. Thanks for watching.